Okay, real quick, here's how I fixed my purdy pole. I got some 120 sandpaper here on my linear sander, and I just went back and forth along this edge. You see there's like an edge here, and I just smoothed that out a little bit. There's these rings inside here that grab that edge, and I took this apart, and then there's these two rings in here, and they're spring loaded, and it kind of looks, they're held in place by these two screws. It kind of looks like if I take it apart, I'm never going to get it back together again. But I noticed those two rings, they press on these two edges here, and it just presses on the very tip of the edge, and they had kind of become polished, and I guess that's why it was sliding. So I went over it with my sandpaper, and I kind of took the very tip of that edge off, and now it doesn't slip anymore. So hopefully that helps people fix their purdy poles instead of just throwing them in the trash. I didn't do anything to this back edge. You can see how it got shined up right there along that edge. That's how it looked on this side too, and I think that's where the little rings that grip touch. So I don't know if I should sand this side too or not, but just sanding this side here seems to have made it work. So I'm not going to tempt fate and sand the other side, because maybe that needs to be sharp. I don't know. It's a weird configuration, but hopefully that helps you guys out.